Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign up to the Paytm app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Paytm app. Once the home page of the Paytm app opens up on your screen, on the top left corner of your screen, you'll see this profile option. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the profile option, a menu will appear on your screen. On that menu, click on this Create an Account button. Once you click on the Create an Account button, you'll be further guided to another page. Now in this page, you'll have to fill in your mobile number here and then click on this Proceed Securely option. Once you click on the Proceed Securely option, and if you have filled in your mobile number correctly, an SMS or an OTP will be sent to your phone, which you can use to sign up to the Paytm app. I hope this video helped you to sign up to the Paytm app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.